To the physics simulation series. This series comes under the Flutter Advanced Animation. Before we talk about simulations, we should first understand bounded and unbounded animations, right? When you create an animation controller, we generally specify lower bound and upper bound. By specifying these bounds, we are telling Flutter Engine this animation controller can produce at max this value or at min this value. By default, lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 1. To create simulations, we can't rely on animation controller constructor which we have been using till now. When you create simulations, speed never remains constant. To create simulations, we need to use unbounded animation controller. In this video, we are going to explore gravity simulation. We are going to simulate gravity on this little green box. Let me first explain you the code. Here, we are calculating height. We are subtracting vertical view padding from the height. But what's the need of this? Here, we are wrapping our custom paint with a safe area. Now our painting area is going to be this much. Also, here we are creating a rect whose height and width is 20 and whose center is the center of the screen width. So this is the total width of screen and this is going to be the center. And we are going to translate it along the y-axis. We are going to change the center and this will animate this little green box like this. Okay, we are going to start gravity simulation by pressing this floating action button. Here we are going to call animate with method of animation controller. To this method, we are going to pass gravity simulation. Here, we need to pass acceleration in pixels, starting point in pixels, ending point in pixels, and starting speed in pixels. So here we are going to pass 30. So our acceleration is going to be 30 and our simulation will start from the 0 pixels and it will end at total height minus 20 and the starting velocity will be 20. Let me run this. So as you can see, the speed will gradually increase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about simulations and Flutter Advanced, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.